touch you, me youth. You want them to show them in choice, you can't get touched. You want them to scrape off your serial number already, brother. You see me, I say? Now show you what costs this now. Bro, God. Come here. Look a reason. I tell you a bad man thing go. Catch my phone right there. Bird a ping off. You see me? Be a bird. The bird a ease up. You see me? I say chopper line a ease. Watch you now, chopper. You see the badness? You have to know what you do. You see me? I say? You let in the body priest. Be a things you not go on with for a day. Be a curfew. Me show you how things going on, bro, God. And this man them this year, brother. Can you go like you and touch your youth? You want them to show them in choice, you can't get touched. You want them to scrape off your serial number already, brother. You see me, I say? Me show you what costs this now. No joke. You see me, I say? You want them never did want you care, bad man. You want them to show you a thing. You see the badness? You say you do badness. Lock up everybody in a house like a blood clot zoo. Chill. Right? The people of you take it because you say you're broke and you are run the place. You want dictator, you show them say you are run blood clot things. And you does that. This is what I say? When you do all of them things, you burn them up on the blood clot internet and you go on. And you make hungry tourists them run up and down because yo bro God, man, me tell you this youth. I foreign me down to a Camille because I my friend in that bumbo clot Jamaica right now. I suck out pussy on beach and I relax a week and relax on the Bumbleclaw beach down there. You see me, I say the Yankee them a send back Metis come a foreign. Come make them know I say them down there fucking par and a chill out and up on beach and a swim a bread. You see me? And you bully us. You bully them, you bully them, you bully them. Lock them up in our house. You discriminate 300,000 for blood clot fine. If you don't have no mask. 700,000. Say ya bad up people living in it. I say ya there. But hey, yo, and you don't have no pass. Pussy. Oh, what? 700,000. 750,000. People can't even buy blood clot chicken back burger. That wicked, you wicked. Wicked, you wicked. The people can't even buy blood clot chicken back at that 700. Say, it's alright. I say ya deal with them, boss. You corrupt them. So, right now, the man them say, alright, casualty of war. We have to touch him back. You see the badness? If you touch one set, they will touch you back. They don't care how them touch you, but they will go touch you. Look here, why my people laugh? Nobody no business boy and never know. Because they will laugh over you about this people them. You see me I say? So now they will say, yo, yeah, pussy. They will thief all your blood clad mansion where you spend 700 trillion pound bomber hole. This would dig up a mansion. They might go dig up a mansion and roll it off of the blood clot hill because you're not shooting people right. Look how the people in that bring you. You're the first Prime Minister can talk to them TV van. A history you come for make, boy. I be a history you come for make, boy. I be a bumbo clad history. Me never hear nobody TV Porsche care yet. Me never hear nobody TV PJ care yet. Bruce care yet. None of them. You diss the people them. And you diss them. Enough people see when you carry a thief. And nobody not say nothing. Because you diss them. Why you diss them? You shouldn't diss them. You diss them. You see what they... Yo, brother, I say you sleep on the TV, you know. Like one bumbo clad, notorious, behind blood clad G, you know. Yo, curfew will begin. 7 o'clock every evening. Anytime after that. When you know it's dirt, when you get dirt, you say, brother, you got the people are wicked. Remember, you know, look how you come out and deal with the people, so they must out thief your shit. Them soon thief all Juliet. Them a go thief Juliet and carry right down in a garrison and wife up that I get baited mackerel down there. You think of that alone them a go thief? Boy, you see the garrison boy where you see? Pancana about hand nigga, and them name is a take away your girl, you know. So if you think say I just even alone the man they want, wait till the man them go in a Juliet office go reason in our bumbo clot ears and make Juliet know say, yo, wherever you get taken a seer and you kill manager. Remember, you fit topic, go apologize. You see right now, if you go and make Jamaicans feel respected, they can't give on. Then right back his serial number. carve you out nice, carried right fucking back on Boko Parky. Which part? You have to apologize to them because you're the first fucking Prime Minister can't cause you the thief me car. The thief, yeah, you diss people, them say about diss your back. Then you diss me, I diss your back. You diss me, I diss your back. I hope you find back, bro, God care, because brother, you want to fucking, it's society down there. The police them a fear. No, they can't fight. This is history. Abracadabra, the man you fucking carry. Abracadabra, you fucking carry. Abracadabra, like man go like a Dave Blaine to Bumbo Clad. You see like man go so Bumbo Clad. Yo, to infinity I be like man you snap your finger, you like a blood clot here. Gone, daddy. Apologize to him and them and then tell them say yo listen. He's me a ease up the curfew and just wear the mask and me ask me nah bad do know. Say man you can't bring back your car. Because you're this man them and just that go out you should have never fucking this man them is disrespectful. He's a disrespectful man. Yo, we know when I remember my birthday party December 17th, you know you go, yo Mary come alive when Dan born. You know you can't don't go buy event break, go buy dirty 30 me. You 30 me, oh the fuck daddy. You see me I say, speaking of all. Yeah, me I get old, me not lie. But speaking of old and age and relationship and marriage. First off, my condolence to you, Queenie, your daughter and your passing, you know. You have a lot to deal with. Yes, Queenie, you have a lot dealing with, you know. The Queen. Relax. But Queenie, me I read the fucking comments them in a bro. And the people they must say, in a what day when your daughter was sick and when did they hospital, you did the on vacation. Them that's the same daughter where them say she's not with she's not with us anymore. Condolence again. You see me? They say you was on vacation celebrating 1 year worth of fuck. I comments them, you know. Then you know when me say that. They say oh in comment section I say that daddy. You see they say yo when Queen doctor in the hospital. Queen that Jamaica I celebrate 1 year worth of fuck and 6 months worth of marriage. See? Bad man. They comment they want to kill me now. So me have to say, me have to tap really comment them at one point and just watch the thing. You see what I'm saying? When Queen here said all these side chicks in my inbox talking about they're gonna get doing.